Moving to our special focus tonight, the divide in Deoband, does it reflect a larger divide in the Islamic community in India? Maulana Ghulam Muhammad Vastanvi, the Vice Chancellor of Asia's largest Islamic seminary, Darul Uloom Deoband, is back in Gujarat and has come up with a surprising U-turn. After saying he would quit as chief of Deoband after controversy over his remarks, apparently saying Muslims should move on, and praised Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi for the work he's done on the development of Muslims in Gujarat. Today he said he will stay because support for him is increasing.
मैंने कोई पेशकश नहीं की है, मैंने मीडिया को ऐसा कहा कि मैंने इस्तीफा देने का मन बनाया है, मैंने इस्तीफा दिया नहीं है.
A complete U-turn by Maulana Vastanvi, the controversial chief of the Deoband Seminary, after support from various quarters, including his hometown in Gujarat, where Vastanvi was back barely 2 weeks after taking over at Asia's largest Islamic seminary. He had resigned 2 days ago over loud protests against his remarks, praising development in Narendra Modi's Gujarat.
कि मजलिस शूरा हंगामी मीटिंग करे और तमाम जो उसने फैसला लिया है उस पर असर गौर करे और ये जो मोहतमिम है इसको वापस जाना जरूरी करे.
These protests against him may have been organized by only a faction of students, but were loud enough to drown out any voices of support. Students refused to speak on camera about their disappointment of his possible exit, but this tech-savvy Facebooking MBA graduate is not alone. Whether Vastanvi stays or goes, moderate voices across the community feel that those in influential posts must be restrained in what they say.
A lot of sensitive people in India, and I'm not limiting myself to Muslims, would not easily forgive him for this.
It's been 8 years since the Gujarat riots, and while many of the Muslims are trying to move on, but for a large part of the community, the wounds are still fresh. And that explains perhaps why any references to Narendra Modi or Gujarat till today, especially by a Muslim cleric, spark off the kind of controversies that the Vice Chancellor of Darul Uloom Deoband finds himself entangled in right now. With Rajiv Pathak in Vadodara, in New Delhi with camera person Madan Lal Kashish for NDTV.